Welcome. Let's understand dynamic floor loads for a gas-insulated switchgear, GIS. Next. 1. During switching operations with the circuit breaker, dynamic loads apply in addition to the weight of the switchgear. 2. These loads are transmitted vertically to the floor by the support structure. Next. The sinusoidal forces P1, P2, P3, P4, with typical extremes of tension and compression depend on the switching cycles and are combined to a resulting compression PD. Next. Now let's see here peak force per support switching cycle. For closing operation, tension and compression loads from P1 to P4 would be 4 kN and 6 kN respectively. For opening operation, tension and compression loads from P1 to P4 would be 12 kN and 11 kN respectively. For co-operation, tension and compression loads from P1 to P4 would be 16 kN and 11 kN respectively. Please note, this loads will vary based on GIS type, voltage level, and type of circuit breaker switching requirements. Next. Now let's see here resulting peak force per bay with co-switching cycle. Compression PD would be 21 kN. Note, this peak force should be considered for one individual bay only. Co-cycles are exclusively initiated by the line protection, overhead lines. Simultaneous switching of several bays is extremely unlikely. Next. Now let's see here resulting peak force per bay with opening switching cycle. Compression PD would be 16 kN. Note, this peak force occurs on all bays simultaneously if initiated by the bus bar or breaker failure protection. Next. If the natural frequency of the floor is near the natural frequency of the switchgear of 21 Hz, a multiplying factor for the floor design may apply. Next. Stay tuned with Electric Wave channel. We will discuss other technical stuff in upcoming videos.